If you're after real comfort food, this simple Anglo-Indian beef stew is wholesome, comforting, and made to nourish your soul. It's packed with healthy veg, protein, and my secret ingredient that takes it to another level. Let me show you how to make my favorite comfort food. Let's get straight into it. So let's start by adding some oil to our pot. Once that's heated up, we're going to add our onions. And we're going to saute these onions till they turn brown. Okay, my onions are nice and brown. Next, my ginger goes in. Roughly chop your ginger, don't mince it too fine. And we're just going to give this about a minute. The onion and ginger smell so good already. You can see also how all of those onions just reduced in quantity. So we started off with a lot of onions, but it's reduced to almost nothing. Once the ginger has released its aroma, we're going to go in with our whole spices. Mix that through. We're going to give this about a minute. Once you can smell all the spices, it's released its aroma. You can smell that cinnamon. Gorgeous. Now we're going to go in with our beef. I am using chuck steak, but you can use any meat. You can make this with chicken if you like. So we're nicely going to sear this beef. Add your salt to taste. We're going to sear this beef. Turn up the heat. Now this beef is going to release its own juices, and we're going to wait till that happens and then dry up the juices that the beef releases. Do not skip this process. Look at the cover of my beef. I have been frying this for about 10 minutes and it released a little bit of its juices. I'm going to fry that up. Look at that. It's now time for my tomatoes to go in. Mix that through. We're going to cook the tomatoes till it softens. Okay, look at that. My tomatoes are all dissolved. That is smelling so good. It's time to cook the meat. So here is my secret ingredient, bone broth. Homemade bone broth. I'm going to pop that in. I'm using homemade broth here. It's not just for flavor, it's full of collagen, minerals, and all that good stuff your body actually needs. Great for gut health, joint support, and adds a nourishing depth to the stew. Pop the lid on and let that cook till the meat is 95% done. Okay, time to check this. Okay, my meat is nice and tender. That is looking good. Next in goes my potatoes. And I'm going to give my potatoes 5 minutes before I put in the rest of my veggies. Okay, let's check on those potatoes. Okay, the rest of my veggies goes in, carrots, cauliflower, and some peas. Now you can use any veggies of your choice and any quantity of veggies. You can reduce the meat and add more veggies. You've got to mix. Some more bone broth. Want to see how I make my bone broth at home? Drop a comment and I'll put it on the list. minutes is up. Garnish with some coriander.
Now look at that. This is my idea of real comfort food. You have all the goodness of the veggies, protein, and the taste and health benefits of the bone broth.
We have got a nice thick gravy. I've not had to thicken my gravy. If your gravy does not thicken up, you can use a thickener to thicken your gravy up.
And if you're into more comfort food like this, don't forget to subscribe. I've got some more soul-warming recipes coming up, all using nourishing homemade bone broth. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.